Alright, so today I'm going to do something a little bit strange. I've been seeing a lot of people do these videos about them shaving their face, and I'm very curious as to if it will help or hurt how you put your makeup on. So what I have here, I'm starting with some Nangai oil. That's this guy. And I'm just going to apply it to this side of my face, because this is the only side I'm going to shave, because I want to compare in real time the difference. And I watched a lot of these videos on shaving your face online, and a lot of people recommend starting with oil. So there we go. And then the type of razor I'm using is these little tinkle razors. Now, these are some things that I got on Amazon. It's like a bulk. And well, let's get started. So I'm not gonna shave this because that's kind of, you need that. Ew, that's disgusting. I don't know if you could see, but it was like black. Because I guess this does dermaplaning too. So it's kind of red, which may complicate things. Alright, now I'm going to wash my face and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I've got all the hair off this side of my face. I even like went in on my mirror to make sure. So this side of my face is shaved, this side is not. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply 3 different colors. Down here I'm going to do really, really dark. I'm going to do the coffee colored. Makes sense. Then in the middle, I'm going to do what I use for foundation, which is the dewy. And then at the top, I'm going to use a really, really light color like porcelain. So, and I'm just going to blend with my fingers, that way I don't get, you know, the interference of the brush or whatever. So. So right off the bat, the shaved side soaks up color a lot more and makes it more blendable. Because the color, like, this is 2 coats on the right side and just 1 on the left. So, pretty big difference there. Okay. Shave side, not shave side. Now let's go and do dewy, kind of in the middle. Yeah, and just looking at it, this side looks a little bit more, like not as well blended, I guess, is the best way to go, is to describe it. Where it just looks like it's on top of your skin, not like part of your skin. So next is Dewy. This is the foundation color that I actually wear, usually. So I think I'm really feeling like this side of my face that's shaved, it just blends a lot better. Like I don't have to work nearly as hard to work it into the skin. Whereas this side, it seems like it's just sitting on top, you know? And I don't know if that's because of the Nangai oil, because it's so moisturizing. But I feel like I've blended this in, and on this side I can like see more of my pores. The other thing is that the Tingle Razor also does like dermaplaning, so I don't know if it's because I like dermaplaned, but lastly, we'll do this porcelain. I guess it's not that much lighter than my natural skin. I'm a pretty white girl. I should have done like a medium color. Let's put more on. And this is more of like a yellow undertone. So I think that the shave really helped to make things blend a little bit better. I look really ridiculous right now, but this was interesting because I think I'm going to do the rest of my face, like shave the rest of my face, but it definitely helped. Like just this side of my face, just like it doesn't look like so porous, I guess. And it doesn't look like there's just like stuff, like it blends, even like from one color to the next, it kind of like blended seamlessly, whereas this, there's a pretty serious line. So I guess that really comes down to, do you want your makeup more blended in, or do you really want it to sit on top of your skin? So this was interesting. This was good to know. You know what I should do? Let me compare some. How does blush go on? So this is Shadow Sense. This is the Pink Hibiscus Shimmer. It's sold out company-wide. I should have bought more. I really should have, because I use it like daily. Maybe I put more on one side than the other. This is obviously very exaggerated. See, now I feel like this blended out much better than this. And this is the shave side. Maybe I didn't put the right amount. I don't know. It's like way different. What else can we try? Just out of curiosity. This is Aussie Rose. Definitely burns more on the shave side, but it seems like it soaked in faster on this side, and it has like less of a color. Interesting. Not that you would be putting lipstick like on your face, but all right, I'm gonna do that slow-mo evaluate the face thing. Anyway, thanks for joining me for this video. I hope that you guys found it informational or at least interesting, or you just wanted to laugh at me put on a bunch of different colors of foundation that may or may not be my actual skin tone. I'll see you guys in the